I'm going to show you a super secret rock hounding location that only I know about because of my super elite skills and knowledge that's not obtainable by anybody. Nobody's ever even been here before. Unidentifiable. I hope you're ready for this. I'm going to take you on an epic journey through time and space. I cannot believe what it is that I am seeing here. I definitely did not expect this to be here when I researched this spot and found that it has this material and drove here with my camera gear to make a video. Just wait until you see what I found. Wow, so many crystals. This is worth at least $10,000, $50,000, maybe even $1 million. Are you ready to see the most epic amount of crystals ever seen on YouTube? You look at that. Look how incredible that is. Oh my god. Oh, I'm literally stepping on crystals. They're everywhere. I'm going to take as many of these crystals home with me as I can. So many crystals. So bad, like having to I can't believe people talk like this. It's so cringy.